Welcome back. What are we doing today? All right, we are gonna go snowboarding. Have here Stefano and Patrick. Patrick with the cool sunglasses, and hills over there, and then go down there. Should be a good day. All right, just remember I'm supposed to be filming because right now we have jump built over here. We got rail down right there and then another jump over there, and there's Stefano and Patrick and some people right down there. Beautiful day. Oh man. Patrick. Woo. Hey, dude. Let's see what happens. Just hit the jump. Hey, why do you keep on doing that?
I don't know.
Touch the ramp. Let's go off of it. Here's a low down. There's a jump right here. And it goes down in that. Patrick, who's right there. Stefano's up there, Patrick's right there. He just needs to go off this jump in order to get the beer and pizza that we're going to after. Oh yeah. There we go. Hey.
Yeah, but that's not a good enough jump to call it a jump.
Okay, fair enough. All right, another successful day up in the mountains. Patrick, Stefano, a jump, some mountains, and the sky and the sun. It's a pretty good day, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
I agree with so.
Cool. I have nothing else to say. So with that,
Live life and get high.
weed's not legal in Montana. But yes, recreationally no. So
Fine. Live life and go get your green card. I don't.
All right, see you guys later.